Hi guys, welcome to today's video. My name is Jennifer. I love to share fashion and beauty. I am at Old Navy. It is a gorgeous day out today. It's like 50 degrees here where I live and everybody is out. So I figured I'd go to Old Navy, see what they have for this springtime, and then we'll talk about it when I come back. This trench coat caught my eye at the front of the store, so I pulled two sizes, a 2X and a 3X. It's a tie belt trench coat. Sizes extra small through 4X. It is $84.99. They have this brown color and a black color, and it is a cotton nylon. And I'm wearing a size 2X in this one. I didn't try on the 3X because I felt like that 2X was the perfect size. However, I do think that it does take me over, and that style of trench coat is not the best fitting style for my shape. Then I made it to the dressing room. Today I have my Walmart little sweatshirt on, some new leggings that I got, and then some sneakers on. So very casual day, but I did curl my hair, so I'm feeling pretty good about myself. So this first outfit that I tried on is extremely big, so I apologize for that. I got this pink button-down shirt. It is a gorgeous pink color, $36.99. They have sizes extra small through 4X. There's 3 colors. It is 100% cotton, and it is extremely oversized. Now, I got a size extra large, and I feel like I could even get away with a large or even an extra large. And they have a black and a blue that is really pretty. Now, these black trousers are $54.99. They have sizes extra small through 4X. It's a polyester rayon spandex blend. They have an elastic waistband in the back. Extremely big and extremely large. They are a wide leg trouser. I am wearing a size extra large in those. I could probably even go down to a large or an extra large. But besides that, the length is very big or very long, not big. What? And so I would have to get those tailored. Let's talk about this gorgeous coral sweater. It's a chevron sweater, $44.99. They have sizes extra small through 4X. They have five colors, a brown, a cream, a yellow. The yellow is more like a mustard color, the coral that I'm wearing, and a black. It is see-through, so it would be good as like if you want to put like a little cami underneath and or show off your little bralette. That would be super pretty. I am wearing a size 3X in this one, and it runs extremely small. So just keep that in mind. It is 100% cotton, and it is a little cropped on me. Now let's talk about these really cute pants. They are listed as an extra high-waisted Stevie skinny ankle pant. They are a pull-on pant. They don't have like a zipper and a belt loop on it. They're $34.99. They remind me a lot of leggings, but they are they're more dressier than leggings. I am wearing the size extra large. They have 3 colors. There's a brown color that is gorgeous. They have sizes extra small through 4X. They are rayon, nylon, and spandex blend, and they hit absolutely perfect on my leg. The crop tank top that I'm trying on is part of a set. There is a cardigan that does go with it. I just pulled the tank top. It is a striped cropped tank top, and it's a sweater material, $29.99, sizes extra small through 4X. I am wearing a size extra large, and it is a little bit big on me. It is a cotton polyester nylon spandex, and yeah, there's different colors that you can choose from. I feel like it looks really good with these pants, and that's why initially I pulled them. Okay, so I went to Old Navy and I went to Sephora. I am going to save the stuff that I bought for Sephora. I'm not going to show you what I got. I think I got a couple good things I'm excited about. I'm going to do a video about it. Old Navy sizing is so tricky on me. So a lot of the stuff that I got were big, and then a couple things that I got were small, and I couldn't even show you. I couldn't even get them on over my hips. That was a dress that I was gonna try on for you guys, but I couldn't do that. I didn't really find anything that I loved. Their jeans were buy one get one 50% off. I don't know how long the sale goes to. That is what they are right now. There are people walking. So it is super busy. I'm gonna go get a coffee. I need to run to the other mall so I can pick up my order. So if you like this type of video, I would love it if you would like and subscribe to this channel. I will tell you what I think in the voiceover. And sorry, I'm super distracted today. Love that you guys are here to support my channel, and I will see you in the next one. Mwah.